Hello everyone, welcome back to ShabanVerse. Today we're talking about an important update from Pi Network that could have a big impact on the future of the Pi ecosystem. The ecosystem directory staking feature, which was first introduced on Pi 2 Day 2025, has now received a fresh redesign and a much better user experience. This update is designed to help developers, creators, and even ordinary pioneers participate more actively in the growth of the Pi ecosystem. But what exactly is ecosystem directory staking? How does it work? And why is Pi Network improving it now? Let's find out. First of all, ecosystem directory. Staking is a feature that allows pioneers to stake their Pi on apps listed in the Pi ecosystem directory. The main goal of this feature is not to earn rewards. Instead, it helps determine which applications receive more visibility within the ecosystem. When more users stake Pi on a particular app, that app gains greater exposure. This means it can appear more prominently in the ecosystem directory, receive more impressions, attract more visitors, and potentially gain more active users. In simple words, Pi Network is allowing the community itself to decide which apps deserve more attention. This creates a community-driven ecosystem where support from users helps quality applications stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk about why this matters for developers. Pi Network has a community of more than 60 million engaged users worldwide. For any developer, reaching such a large audience is a huge opportunity. With ecosystem directory staking, developers can gain additional visibility if users decide to support their applications. Instead of relying solely on advertising or marketing campaigns, developers can focus on building useful products and earning support from the community. If users like an app, they can stake Pi on it, helping it gain more exposure and potentially attract thousands of new users. This is especially exciting for independent developers, creators, and the new generation of AI-powered builders known as vibe coders. As more developers create applications for Pi Network, features like this could help users discover the best projects more easily. Now let's look at the benefits for ordinary pioneers. Many users want to contribute to the growth of the Pi ecosystem but don't know how. Ecosystem directory staking provides a simple way to participate. If you find an app that you believe has value, you can support it by staking your Pi. This support sends a signal to the ecosystem that the community considers the app useful and worthy of attention. Over time, this could help create a healthier ecosystem where quality applications receive more visibility while less useful projects receive less attention. In other words, every pioneer gets an opportunity to influence which applications become successful within the Pi ecosystem. However, there is one very important thing that everyone should understand. This is not traditional staking. Pi Network has clearly stated that there are no protocol-level rewards for ecosystem directory staking. That means users do not earn additional Pi by staking. There are no interest payments, no mining bonuses, and no extra rewards. The purpose of staking is simply to support applications and help determine visibility within the ecosystem. The good news is that your original staked Pi is not permanently spent. Once the selected staking period ends, the staked amount is returned to you. So this feature is designed to encourage participation and ecosystem growth rather than provide financial rewards. Now let's discuss what has changed in the latest update. According to Pi Network, the feature has received a fresh visual redesign and several user experience improvements. The interface is now cleaner, easier to navigate, and better prepared for future expansion. As more apps join the Pi ecosystem, these improvements should help both users and developers interact with the platform more efficiently. The update also demonstrates that Pi Network is continuing to invest in ecosystem development rather than focusing only on mining and token distribution. Building a strong ecosystem of useful applications has always been one of Pi Network's long-term goals, and updates like this move the project one step closer to that vision. So what does all of this mean? It means Pi Network is creating a system where the community can directly influence app discovery and ecosystem growth. Developers get an opportunity to reach more users. Pioneers get a chance to support projects they believe in, and the ecosystem becomes more community-driven over time. Whether this system becomes a major success will depend on how actively users participate and how many quality applications continue joining the Pi ecosystem. But one thing is clear. Pi Network is continuing to build tools that encourage real utility and community involvement. What do you think about the new ecosystem directory staking update? Do you believe community-supported app promotion is a good idea? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to ShabanVerse for more Pi Network, crypto, AI, and future technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.